Nagabenta ke khobor baman kasni page but subscribe ya u Antor News.
Program to
That program go. We are not here to harm them. No.
And
That's what we are not harming them.
The
President of India had come. We could have
Choose that particular day, which is much better
the country.
when the president came.
But then, you know,
if you had chosen that time,
then
also we would have
so
we are
point
thankful
is
that you
this,
did not
that
choose Margaret President.
Yeah, that's one. It's not about the day.
not about the day,
It's not about the specific day.
The people who are gathering in Kaba, the people who are gathering from all of the junctions, are they not for this demonstration? Please tell me. No,
If
sir.
people-
So because the announcement has been made publicly,
Yeah,
that
no, but
will be
how-
going on. Sir. Your process for that
Anything you want to do?
US leaders have
See to
mentioned
it.
that,
See
sir.
to it. Nothing.
Yes, sir, we are doing our
But let
duty
us
to
also
peacefully demonstrate. Sir,
exercise
you have
our
the right.
rights.
You have the
I
right.
also
We are not
request you,
stopping,
please,
but
to
not
also
under
exercise your
this
duty.
duty. You cannot have it.
For today, we take a vested interest. Vested interest. Kimla.
Si, nakaliang ka joming ilalong. Si. That's what nakaliang ka joming ilalong. Ba, ilalong pet. This is a peaceful demonstration. You can consider you bakin le kanung ko basniyo. Ngitep. That too, with your cooperation, that time.
Exactly why we require your cooperation.
That's what we also ask your cooperation. Let's go together. Let us go there.
We don't know how many people are coming from how many junctions.
don't blame us for it.
What happened?
Because we have to divert traffic. We have to do so many other things.
Does
If
it
we can,
divert?
Very unfortunate that we come public transport.
you could allow few vehicles to go north and south.
I don't.
Right now we cannot.
So the
Right now we cannot regulate traffic also.
Once you demonstrate there, you'll be more than fine by
That
default.
is happening here.
By default.
By default,
you'll be more than fine.
To make sure if you feel that.
But unlike you want to, this area has been cordoned
What if
for any demonstration.
Just see us.
From here.
Yeah, that's what. So it is your duty to walk out what you feel.
And they take advantage.
That's what it is your.
And then maybe you can find a place for us. Let the administration. Okay.
We'll just go till there and find a place. But let's just go there and talk and find a place.
Why get the need to be there today?
Why can't we have it somewhere else? Why
That
can't we
you
have it
cannot
somewhere?
question us
Don't
today,
question the
tomorrow.
place.
That
Don't
is
question
wrong.
the place.
No one has the right to question.
Don't question the
It is
place.
our right
That
to
is a
decide
closed
which day.
premises for that program. It's a
Kong
confined premises. Talking,
We
sir.
have langin chit.
Anjit hieng, shong hieng. Anjit po klawieng juga. Protes. Nanti ompi. Yang balik ke sekarang anjit hieng juga.
Confined premises for that program there. Why you haven't reached a confined premises? The program can happen in the open. That happen in the open. The This is a confined premises for invitees. More confined premises for invitees. Believe it, what they confined, balamang ya
Kadai confine, kadai kuhiru, tambalong kadai kacaka jungi shwa pakandai jung kita kita nama. Kadai caka jung juno. Eh, larangi banang ni, banang ni ngim nak melen. Kerpang ni kita nabar. What is that?
Kini kiwan
What is that?
Yes.
Ini dikikas. Ni pa utrai ngin nak melen. Banabar pibu kerpang balong. Yang ni bana trais nong ngim nak melen. What is that? Obviously, they are guests. Guests can use all traffic restriction, everything, confine everything for them. Ni try stong in the balai.
And yan nakabenta the state.
Hindi na tayo suno. Oh, that is not right. That is not right. Lalapi ong namta ni. Lalapi ong namta joki fin confine. Fin bu kerpang namta joki. Namta joki try stong pinom shah. Pinom lah. Belum. Balai ini nom lang.
Please, try
And
to
just
understand.
counter to what you put out your
Please try to
points.
understand, sir. Kadai program Balamang ka tukar cakap. Hindi video na ba? Ini request bandan hakani. Penong yang kita program.
So we are not harming them. We are not harming them. We are against the government. We are against the government, not against the government of Assam, Nagaland. Our point is just let us go there. Let's go there, and then we can go. Let's go. When no one is there,
has been going on since 147. Your people already gathered outside your house. Why don't we go to Yangon?
just let us go there.
Why don't we go to Yangon?
Then we
Why don't we go
just have a round. There's no house.
No, sir.
What is that?
Sir, you already stated your agenda.
Just let us go. Lalaki lah man ni kat ni. Just let us go together. Let them be here. Ini kita belum stay.
มันลูกกินเสียงข้างอุปเราฉันลูกกินไทยฉันลูกกินแบกพี่ลำพี่เป็นอี
Si, ni la ong.
พี่กันเลยมาก็นี่เป็นลองสักไปแก๊ส
So we have requested you also. We have requested you also. Có, tetapi ong pakai ngimla bang siong nanti. Yang ni ngilek ong ni. Ya papi ya. Sama let us go. Ha kajing ya lam chok. Let us go to.
Yeah, long
Kita.
and we will ensure.
We will ensure. We are helping you. Ong ya yang. Ya yang. We will just go.
Ngim cubu ya ka im kata ngim cubu ka im kata tanpa ngim cubu kita kata
help us today any other day
Actually, ni si ni ngimut pensiong hantai.
help us
Ngimut pensiong hantai.
Let people pensiong hantai.
Ni ngimut pensiong hantai. Ngimut pensiong hantai. Tapi orang kita tahu biang. But let us just
We are grateful. We are grateful so that at least you
Kata ngilak benda mo.
that much.
Pensiong kita. That's what.
Help us
Actually, our plan is to sit there.
to
sit there. Dari mentah hukum tu, ini.
On your request, respect your request. Let us go.
Let us go. Kita select
Find a place.
Kita select kereta. Obviously, hirung ipas kita lagi berpet ya kalau no situation. That's what. Actually, our plan is to sit there.